In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Wix payments for your online store. This is a crucial step in ensuring your business can accept payments smoothly and efficiently. We'll walk through everything you need to know to get up and running so you can focus on growing your business. Let's start by accessing your Wix dashboard. This is where you manage all the key operations of your website. Once you're there, the first thing you'll want to do is navigate over to the settings area. You can usually find this on the left-hand side of the screen. Within Settings, look for the option that says Accept Payments. Click on that, and it will lead you directly to the Payment Setup page. Here, you'll see an option specifically for Wix payments, labeled as Complete Setup for Wix Payments. Clicking this option will initiate the setup process. Now, it's time to input your business and bank information, which is necessary for connecting Wix payments to your financial accounts. This information is critical as it allows your transactions to be processed and for funds to be deposited into your bank account. Be sure to double-check the accuracy of the details you provide, as any errors could delay your transactions or payouts. Next, your account will need to go through a verification process. This step is crucial because it ensures that your business is legitimate and protects you as well as your customers from potential fraud. Once you've submitted your information, this verification process might take several days. So don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. Wix will notify you as soon as verification is complete, allowing you to move forward with accepting payments. Once your account is verified, you're all set to receive payments from your customers. After a customer makes a payment, the transaction won't go straight to your bank account right away. Instead, Wix will hold on to the payment for a short period, typically between 2 to 5 business days. This holding period is an additional layer of protection, safeguarding against fraudulent activities that can sometimes occur in online transactions. Think of it as a buffer to ensure everything is legitimate and secure before transferring the funds to your account. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Wix payments for your store. It's a simple process, but each step plays a vital role in securing and streamlining your business transactions. Now you're ready to accept payments confidently, helping your business thrive. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions, feel free to explore additional resources or reach out to Wix support for more personalized assistance.